Hello friends, let us understand the penalties order under section 112 of the Customs Act 1962. So understand the key provisions of section 112 and the court's consistently ruling and the court's observations and the tribunal observations in this regard. So as per section 112, that is a penalty is imposed for the violation of section 111 and for the improperly imported goods. So, courts and the tribunals have consistently ruled that for the penalties under Section 112 of the Customs Act 1962 require a few things to invoke. And number one thing is that the clear proof of intent, that is the mens rea, and active involvement, and the third thing, that's a conscious wrongdoing depending on the specific clause invoked. Now understand the key code and the tribunal observations in this regard. Number one, that is a distinction on the mens rea. Next is the no assumptions or the presumptions. Precision in the notices and no deliberate evasion. So when there is a no deliberate evasion. So now first come under the point one, that is a distinction on the mens rea. So under section 112 clause A, and that is for omission, commission, rendering goods liable to be confiscation. And in this case, courts have noted that the direct civil default of a statutory obligation may sometimes apply without proving the deep mens rea, malicious intent. And the section 112 clause B, that is dealing with or carrying or acquiring confiscated goods. In this case, the courts mandated that the positive knowledge or mens rea must be established. So, in this case, a person must know or a reason to believe that the goods are liable to be confiscated. Now, no assumption on presumption. So, tribunal often frequently sets aside the penalty order on the authorities rely merely on the vague statement, uh, assumptions, uncorroborated statement of the co-accused individuals without the solid independent evidence. Now, the precision in the notices. Following Supreme Court principles that so-called notice must precisely state of the specific clause of the provisions which have been violated by the persons. So, a generic vague statement or so invocation of section 1